Cooperation between human and robot presents particular challenges to safety and is regulated through technical specifications. The Collision Measurement Set (PRMS) examines human-robot collaborations (HRC), recording force and pressure. The force measurement device is equipped with springs and sensors and records any forces exerted on the human. 9 springs with different spring constants are used to recreate the various body regions. Pressure indicating films are used to measure the pressure, which is then compared with the specified thresholds. The set contains 3 compression elements, which simulate the parts of the body that will be measured. Afterwards, the scanner is used to read in the measured values. A convenient software tool is available for validation. You can either buy or rent the Collision Measurement Set (PRMS). The set includes 1 day of practical product training. What you have is a sophisticated, comprehensive, carefree package which includes regular maintenance and calibration, as well as the latest software updates. The intuitive software PRMS Assistant is used to measure and evaluate force and pressure and is easy to configure. Before the measurements are taken, force and pressure are entered along with the number of measurements and the speed of the robot. It's important to the measurement process that the measurement device is fitted securely. In addition to force measurement, pressure indicating films are used to measure pressure. This includes the compression elements which simulate the various parts of the body. Force and pressure are evaluated using the software supplied. If the values are outside the specified limits, the robot parameters will need to be corrected. Pilz Robot Measuring System (PRMS) helps you work towards a safe robot application.